Hi friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Monday. We're looking at the best curbside deals at Walgreens for the week of June the 8th to the 14th. Now, curbside deal means you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, putting in your order, paying for it, driving to the store, and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store with register rewards, I recommend you watch yesterday's video. I go through an assortment of deals, what's the best deal, and so on and so forth in store specifically. And if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. A lot of you were reporting to me yesterday that you found a lot of incontinence products, so adult diapers and pads at 90% off. If you compare it with digital coupons, I would be on the lookout for that. I know there's a couple smart IBOTTA rebates, but my store was cleared at 50%. These are hot products that people need, and they bought it at 50% off, but you might want to look for that if you are specifically in store. And the final piece of business before we dive into the deals, the L'Oreal Collagen was tagged at my store that this deal was ending on the 7th. But in some markets, it's still continuing. If you bring one up to the register and it's $9.59 and you have that $8 coupon, rock and roll time to get this for $1.59. They may pull it in the middle of the week, or it might go for the end of the month. So just be really mindful that scan it in the app and then keep an eye on that register that is ringing up correctly at the register, because I think the original price for this is like $12.99, so it is not cheap. We're going to do this, guys, is we're going to talk about the regular first deal, and then we're going to go into $30 baskets towards the middle of the video. So this first one, we're going to grab two of these $1.29 hand sanitizers. They're on this goofy promotion of buy one, get one 50% off, $1 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. So there's nothing to sneeze or cough at there. I love this, and definitely a great thing to have in your purse for the summer months. Also going to throw into the Garnier Fructis shampoos, or you can get a shampoo conditioner. So online, these are buy two, get $4 back in Walgreens cash. Plus, we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Here it is. Load this friend, and you will get back $4 in Walgreens cash too for purchasing these two. So if you don't want to be in store this week, this is definitely the basket to do. And then the final item we're going to grab is two of these $4 Colgate toothpastes. And you get back, I believe, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy two, so just like in store. And then you have your best friend to load, which is the 3 off a 2. All of these Colgate coupons load. They tend to go on 2-week cycles, and you want to make sure that you have it ready for next week, even if you want to skip this week. Now, just to show you the little folder here of coupons, $3 coming off for Colgate, the $4 coming off for Garnier, and WAG10 taking a generous 19 cents off. I wish it was more, but that's what we're working with. The overall total for this basket is $17.93, WAG10 and $7 in manufacturers. So the total is $11.80. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $1.80 and you're getting back $9. So this is something called not too shabby. It gets a little confusing. The next couple deals, we're doing $30 online orders to earn back $15. In yesterday's video, I show you a $30 in-store basket. Now, you either might have the earn 10 and you have to spend $20 in-store and online, or you might have the larger one like myself. So yesterday we did a $30 basket in store. Today we're doing a $30 basket online. Once the two are complete, you get back your $15 in Walgreens cash. So it's a two-stepper. Keep all of your receipts, everything. So if you have to call customer service if this thing explodes, you'll be covered. Okay, so deal number 2, we're going to be doing a $30 basket. So you make sure that you have this guy loaded and you're ready to rock and roll. First thing we're going to do is grab one of these very expensive Gillette Pro Glide razor refills for men for $39.99. We have a $15 off of one and a $6 off of one store coupon on that really expensive product. Close to Father's Day, when we get really great digital coupons on razors as well. This is on a promotion for P&G of spend 30, earn back 10. So that's what we're doing. So, and these little June coupons and stuff wouldn't apply either, because I did try. It was like a mess. This isn't only for you, so probably if you do a lot of the deals that I show, you probably have the same one as I. Load it. It is such a big coupon. And honestly, if you just pop into that coupon and see the related items, that's how you'll be able to find the $40 razor kit. And we also have this 6 off of 1, which is a My Walgreens coupon, which is a store coupon. Now, just to show you guys, here it is, $6.15, and then using the code WAG10, $1.90 off. Okay, so just jogging you guys through the basket, it's $39.99, $7.90 melting off. So you're still at that $30 threshold for spend 30 to earn back 10 on P&G, and then $15 in manufacturers right there. With your debit card, you're going to pay $19.02, get back 10 for the P&G promo, and $7.50 for the other half of the spend 30, get back 15. Hopefully that's crystal clear, but not a bad deal. Do not use any Walgreens cash, as the P&G promotion is spend 30 to earn back 10, and the other promotion is like spend 30 online to earn back 15 online and in store. Okay, deal number 3. This one is just going to be a hodgepodge of stuff. Again, you need your little friend loaded, and we're not going to be going with a $30 P&G basket for this one. We're going to grab 3 of these Olay body washes at $7 a pop, so that's 21. And as you can see right there, there's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Here it is. Make sure you have it loaded. And all manufacturer digital coupons are also of a one-time use, but I think a lot of you probably already know that. Here's our promotion. Spend 20 on P&G bath, earn back 5. So this is not part of the spend 30 to earn back 10. IBOTTA also has $1 back for each body wash. So you will achieve that. You're going to get $3 back through the IBOTTA app. Because this is an IBOTTA offer, like a deal with IBOTTA, ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you get a physical paper receipt. It's critical. So you can photograph your receipt to IBOTTA. Then we're also going to throw in 2 of these Garnier shampoos for $8. Load our friend, which is the 4 off 2 digital coupon. And we're also throwing this guy into the mix. 2 bags of the Walgreens brand. It's called Magic Trail Mix. They have like M&Ms or something in there. It was so good when I used to buy this. It was a favorite. But some savings if you're planning to travel this summer. It's a great little product to carry with you. Now, just to show you, $5 for Olay, $4 for Garnier, and $2.10 with the code WAG10. So that's awesome. I love to see that sort of savings. And the overall total for this basket is $34, $2.10 coming off with WAG10, free curbside pickup, and $9 melting off in manufacturers. You're going to pay $24.54 with your debit card, and then you're getting back 9, 4 for Garnier, 5 for Olay, and then 7.5 for the promotion of spend 30, get back 15. So once you do your online and in-store, you'll achieve that $15 threshold. And if you might have the smaller spend 20 on both to get back 10, you're going to have to augment your basket for a lot less. But this is not a bad basket if you want to get some fancier items, and I'm all about it. Like, who isn't? Okay, the final deal that we had for you is deal number 4. You need your best friend again loaded, and hopefully you have one of these to work with. If not, you can always participate in the deal. It'll just be $7.50 more. We're going to grab 2 of these pads and buy one, get one 50% off for $17.98. And we have a 10 off of 2 digital coupon to go with this one. And this was from last week, so if you didn't use it last week, use it this week. And then IBOTTA has a $2 rebate back for each. I can't find it by searching it, but it was in my list on IBOTTA, so you might have the same if you loaded it. We're also going to grab one of these fancy dancy razors for $8.79. Buy one, get one 50% off, and we have a $3 digital. This isn't only for you again, but if you purchase a lot of these products, you probably should have the same stuff as I. And then the final item we're getting at 50% off is one of these fancier shaving creams for $7.49, and it's actually 50% off, so it's $3.74. We have a $3 digital, so that's not too bad. So I'm just loving this little basket of P&G goods. And show you $10 off, $3 off, $3 off. I'm not using WAG10 or any of those codes. because the math here is exceptionally tight and precise, so I'm just going to leave it as is. $30.51, $16 in manufacturer's melting off. Pay $15.26 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. For spend 30, get back 10, and then 7.5 for the half of the promotion this week of spend 30 online and in store to earn back 15. Plus, photograph your receipt for another $4 back from IBOTTA for the Always pads. So this is just like a total moneymaker after everything is said and done. So hopefully this video wasn't too confusing. Keep a very good notes of all your receipts and stuff. Because this promotion is in two different parts, you don't want to be left doing deals and not getting that $15 or $10 back. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.